as I can. Now that we've seen the beautiful interior, let's take a look what the exterior looks like. Here we go. Look at these are also the wheels, Fuchs wheels that came with the appearance package. And as you can see, there is not a single speck of rust on this car. Looks like it just came rolling off the assembly line this morning. Can you look at that paint? It is just how something like this has been preserved for 45 years. Only been driven 5 years, and it looks so new. Just look at this back engine cover. Like, it looks incredible. How can a car sit for so long and look so good? I am perplexed myself. I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. Let's take a look here. Still has license plate on it, so I wouldn't say I just drove it here. But you can look in here. There's might be something living in here. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the air supply hole for the mechanic that usually rides with you in the back of the car. Yeah, I know. Look at this. Look at the paint. This is just incredible how they were able to polish that and that shine. I know, it's amazing. And then they added some speed holes in the back for extra speed. And then sometimes you take a bit off, lighten the car to speed things up. It's amazing. It's a thing of beauty. And this is what nobody knows. This is actually top secret, and it has a flexible quarter panel. So in high speeds, when you're going down the highway, it's kind of like the Formula 1 cars. When was it Ferrari had the illegal spoiler? This is where Ferrari got the idea from. It's from the Porsche 914. This illegal flexible quarter panel that when you're going 20 miles an hour, it actually helps with a downforce. So this is really, really good. This is definitely an option too, right? And then what they've done, they have taken the rocker panel and make it look like it rusted right off to fool the people at the government agencies. Again, this is for weight savings, and as we all know, weight savings means speed, fast, right? Again here, another speed hole. See that? Yeah, that's an option for sure. And if you look a bit closer, there's a couple of speed dents. Again, that helps with the aerodynamics of the car, downforce, what you want in high speeds. They snuck another speed hole right in there, right? It takes time, right, for that to appear, I should say, right? And this is probably the biggest speed hole of them all. And it's not even round, so if it's not round, it's not really a hole. And how you can make a hole that looks like that is a trick on its own. As you can tell, because this car has the Bondeco automotive preservationists, there's not a single speck of rust on this. Isn't that amazing? Like, I know, I can't believe it myself. I cannot believe it myself. Again, this is a speed crack. It has two speed cracks, right? One for each wiper. The speed crack on the top here, and then has another speed crack on the bottom here. It's hard to put them top and bottom like that and not actually meet two separate cracks, one each side. But they really outdone themselves. Look at that! Look at that paint! Look at that finish! Oh, good God! Let's look inside. Let's look under this hood here. Front trunk. Not sure exactly. Has a few spare parts that I've collected already. You know, oof, it's so bad. I mean, it's so good. It's so good. There's a special paint for the gas tank here. They call it the disappearing paint. And it's disappearing. And so is the gas tank. The gas tank is slowly disappearing too. See that? It's all you rust in a nice little vent hole in there. Again, what I was saying, you lose weight, you gain speed, right? But look at that, look at that paint. See, I told you. You guys think I'm crazy. This is all I see. And then they have done the same thing here. They snuck in a speed hole on this side too, right? And now you take some of that metal off and voila, weight savings. Weight savings means faster. And faster is always better. Again, this is the secret. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this, because once they find out that they have these illegal flexible quarter panels like this, look at this, look. Oh my God, is that something else? That is something else. Now, again, speed hole. Yeah. That's the thing to look at that interior. Yeah, see? Doesn't that interior just match the exterior? Yeah, I know. It's something else. How can a car have been preserved for so long and have such a nice interior and have the matching exterior? Now we've seen the extra custom trunk cover. No, got the H taken out of it, so it's actually just a, what's it, a Porsche. This is a Porsche. See, see? I don't know what to say. The roof, Targa, is also in amazing shape. That's gonna go on here. Now, I didn't show you guys this earlier. Maybe I did. But look at these pipes. 1, 2, and a 3 and a 4. You're thinking, whatever, big deal. I got a couple of pipes here. They look pretty amazing, and just do this. Even the pipes have speed holes. Look at that. Weight savings. I know it's crazy. But look at this. Now you guys gonna cry when you see this. Look at this. Yes. Ready? Here we go. Look at this. Ferrari. The muffler Ferrari fits. This is like a Porsche Ferrari. A Porsche Ferrari. 914 2.0. I don't know what else to say. This is it. This is the car. This is the car. I know. I'm gonna jump in this thing and drive down the road, have that freaking wind flow through my hair, enjoying the sunshine. Like I said, I'm gonna go driving down the road in my Porsche. Yeah, this is actually a little bit more fun to drive. Oh yeah, poor car. Oh, forgot to say. The interior is for sale. Whole interior is for sale.